Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use gift card on Chick Fil A app. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So to access your e-gift card, what you need to do is upon receiving an email or mobile phone notification, just click on the View Your e-gift card now button to view your e-gift card. Now, the next thing you want to do is you need to open the application itself. Now, open the Chick Fil A app, or if you don't have it yet, download the application and set up a Chick Fil A One account to begin. Now, from there, you can go ahead and proceed on transferring your funds and use it. Now, navigate to the bottom of your screen, select Scan, and then click Add Funds and opt for the Transfer a Gift Card option and indulge in the benefits of using it. And that's about it. So this one is pretty simple. Just follow the steps and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.